They're an amazing bunch of students and we're very, very proud of them. It was an amazing achievement with the Commis Chefs first time entering. Highest award granted was a silver medal to our chef Jozsef Horvath. We're very proud of him. Grace entered into the cold desserts with cupcakes and she came away with a certificate of merit, and Shauna Kelly, she also came away with, she did the macarons and she won a bronze medal, so very proud.
I'm really happy with this because I never have done before any cooking competition, and I probably, if I'm not in a student for the ETBs, I never will be done in my life, so it's a big achievement for me, and I'm very proud for myself, and I will looking for a future competition as well.
It's a really good achievement in my eyes anyway. I know as I was prepping for it, some things weren't perfect, and I suppose driving up then that morning I wasn't sure if I was even going to display on the table or not. I suppose, you know, you just like things to be a certain way, and when things went wrong then Monday evening, I wasn't sure how they were going to go, so I was really surprised to receive a bronze medal actually.
Well, here in the kitchen today where the Commis Chefs are in, we do 2 days a week here and the rest of the time they're out with their employer. My class then is a level 5 traineeship and we interact on the Mondays and Tuesdays, so we serve what they cook. So it's working to the advantage of both groups, so it's a real life environment, so we have real life customers. We do the fine dining, we can do a casual dining, we can do a coffee shop event. So whatever the chefs, myself and Fergal work really close together and complement each other's skill sets.
The kitchen is really well equipped, and you know, everyone kind of has their own station, and when you start the course, getting the knives and the uniform and all that, I think really helps, because you know, some people might not have access to those kinds of things at home, so being able to practice with them at home and learning how to use them properly here, I think that's a really good asset to the course.
Oh, that's very good, very handy. All the equipment are all modern equipment, and all the teacher, all the training progress is going step by step continuously, so it's really good. Build up the study system is built up from the bottom to the end, from the beginning to the end. So I think this is really handy. It's really good. Lots of information I'm getting it, which I never know before them. I've been working in the kitchen nearly 20 years, but something is, you know, you can always learn something new.
Or I think I might go on and do a train the trainer course or something along those lines, but I do like to keep up with the coursework. I suppose because I didn't go to college straight after school, I kind of went straight to work because I didn't really know what I wanted to do. So I suppose I'd like to keep going with my coursework anyway, because I do enjoy doing it. Even though I didn't think I was a schoolwork type person, I do enjoy it most of the time.